Hi, great to see you today. Have you ever realized with smartphones, informations are readily available? Now, have you also realized that we are always attracted to informations which are negative and divisive? You would have seen this whenever you click into your favorite social media news or some notification pops up. You will look at this and you will be there, stew there for a while, and when you are coming out of this experience of reading or indulging in this information, you will feel sad, right? One of the things that we must always remember is our nature is happiness. Think about a ping pong ball that is being put into water. You just press it into right to the bottom of the glass and you let it go. It just pops out. Now that's exciting, that's our true nature, but along the way things has happened and we have put layers of things on top of it like a weight, and it started sinking. Now let's talk about sadness. What makes us sad is the things that we are always looking for, which is called lack. What is lack? Lack is things that we don't like or we don't have enough. Why do we look for lack? Because our brain is designed to look for lack. The next question is, why is our brain designed to be like that? Well, it is designed to be like that to keep us alive. Now, let's imagine that you're actually driving in a highway and there's a bad traffic jam. And right at the front, you can see there's a wreckage, right? There's an accident over there. And what you realize is that you, being such a positive person, you started complaining that all the other people who are actually applying their brake and rubbernecking their neck to look at the wreck. And while you're driving, as you are such a positive person, you are not going to rubberneck, you just want to drive straight away without looking at the wreck. But the moment when you're passing the wreckage, you will also rubberneck to look at the car. Negativity, right? Now, let's say you drove for another 2 hours. There's a beautiful sunset that's happening the other side of the highway. Beautiful. You can never miss that. Have you ever seen a traffic jam because of a sunset? Nobody cares. There's beauty. And that's the challenge. We are always attracted to the lack and attack. That's how our brain is designed. This is to keep us alive. Now, let's talk about what are the lacks in our life. Not enough money, not enough love, not enough relationship, not enough recognition, and the list can go on and on. Now, this is further amplified by the gadget that I spoke about, smartphone through social media. Now, we tend to get this thing happening, this information coming to us at the speed of light, obviously, because it's technology, and we can start comparing and feel really sad about it. Now, when we compare, it creates division. He has more, I have less, right? Now, this is what we call duality. Now, with duality comes being selective. You have to select. And often, we select the one that is closely related to the brain design that we spoke about, which is lack and attack, and feel miserable about our life. Why do we be selective? The answer is because of our identity. We identify with stuff. Now, do you know how many oceans or seas in this world? For your information, there's only one ocean, right? But it has been divided to 3 or 4 and further divided to 50 or more seas, which basically hugs the other landmass. That's why it's called sea. Who created all this? Division through identification of nations. One sea became fragmented, and there's rules and regulation that we need to follow. Now, how do we come out of this being selectiveness through our identification? The answer is inclusion rather than being selective. You can call it being exclusive also. Now, with inclusion comes love and compassion. Love is about ourselves, loving us, and compassion is about another being that you can alleviate them, lift them up to where they want to be. And that's the true nature of us being human, love and compassion. So, my proposal to you is to be inclusive rather than being selective. When you see someone in front of you, have love and compassion. See them as they are. You know, when we go to work, we are different when we see our boss, and we are different when we see our subordinate. It's because of the memory that we have actually put, and we play that memory just to be liked. When you look at things as how they are, where love and compassion comes in, you'll be able to act in the right way. Now, as I always say, we as human beings, we need to start being human, and being inclusive through love and compassion is the key. So wish you all a fantastic day. Have a lot of love for yourself and be compassionate. Thank you so much.